So I'm actually inspired by the reusable face mask that I got. So all you need is a regular buff. Is to measure about 22 centimeters. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut here. So now this is the piece that you have cut. Flip it over and halve it. Then you just need to halve it. You will find that there are two faux lines. Is to cut along the faux lines. Let me show you. Fold it into half again. Half of this. And just cut a little bit. Okay, this is one side. Now we need to cut the other side. Because this is gonna be where you're gonna hook on your ear. So when you open up, see? You're gonna have holes like that. So now what we're gonna do is to cut off one side so that you can separate them. See? So this is how you make your mask. And there's no sewing needed. And the good thing is, you can put a surgical mask here. To show you how the mask actually looks like. Look. It's easy, no sewing needed. You can use the mask on its own, or you can use it as a mask cover. So you can put in surgical mask, put it over, and you can wear it.